Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I dyed my hair red. I think I just wanted some change and red is one of my favorite color, so I did it at home. It was it was pretty easy dye. I had never done it before, but I did it and I feel like really amazing. Like I feel so like hot and sexy and powerful. Super Scorpio, ENTJ. What do you think, Tubi?
You look like a fun anime character.
Thank you. So today's video, I just wanted to show you guys how I paint just using red, meaning like red-ish colors. I brought some of the old paintings that I made. So when I think about red, there's two things that come to mind. For me, it's death, like blood, and love, like roses and flowers, passion. So there's like a little contrast going on for me, and I really like exploring those two topics in my work. They're just like such a magical color. I mean red by like pink and like a shades of orange, a little bit of like purple, like this one. Just express like love, very emotional and private and delicate work. This one is showing like all my like physical illness I had. Something like a red comic spread. This is just like about like a crazy angry guy. It's like also like gross and but still like strong and personal. It's just a lot of like emotions in one color. This is my watercolor palette. It's a little messy, but we're going to use these red colors, including pink and some of the purples and browns. And I also have Dr. P.H. Martin's watercolor concentrate. Although I didn't use them for this video, I recommend them if you want to get different variations of red or any colors. So what I created here is like color swatches to show you different variations of red, like warm red that is close to orange, and like cooler red, which is like pink and purple. So I always start from the middle of the paper, and I am working on my hair. I am working on my hair, and I gave myself a new red hair for this new painting. And I honestly did not like how the face turned out. I thought I looked just like an old doll, like a creepy doll that I didn't really like. So I started filling out some cute animals, like a teddy bear and this new creature that kind of looks like an anteater, but like you can see on this one, I am putting like a darker red next to pink head the animal has, and just to create like different like contrast. And yeah, I think at the end, I kind of got like obsessed with this new creature. So I made another like giraffe kind of like long creature, animal with the wings. I'm giving some like gradations from light to dark and using like wet on wet, putting some patterns on the wings. Like you can see, I'm using like so many different shades of red, like pink, darker red, and finishing up with the eyes. I think this guy is like my favorite. And I was originally planning to make it into a big like flower, but it turned out that I just wanted to draw more creatures, and it's looking like a little like a um flower demon, like a flower man. And for the dress, I gave her like a little red polka dot, and that really made me feel a lot better about this whole painting because I didn't really like the girl's face, and for the dress I wanted it to be like really like eye grabbing and wanted to give more attention to her. For the dress I wanted to be like really fluffy and like big because like she's like the main character and I want her to really like stand out within these like cool, like in between these like cool animal creatures. For the bottom part, I wanted to make sure that it is like a floor. So I used darker color to give like a weight. And that is my pandemic sad girl soul. She is like an angel, but also like a demon, just bending over. I think she's bleeding. She's upset about the whole thing. And I use black to really bring out the contrast with the white paper. And I think it really made her look a lot better and a lot more like myself. And black really gives a good contrast because the paper is white and white and black is a maximum contrast you can get. And I just wanted to give a little punch. Always use darkest color at the end. I think this just represents that I am isolated and comfortable in between these cute characters. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos. I am posting every Friday, 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. for Eastern Time. And please subscribe, guys. Bye. Have a good week.